In today's video, we got a package from eBay. I believe this is a Nokia 3588i, I believe. And I have to cover it like this because there's an address on the back. In the front, it has an address, so I can't show that. And yeah, let's get right into it. There it is. Was fast. Got this off of eBay, and it works. Let's see if it turns on. Looks like it doesn't, so I'll go ahead and go test it on the charger, but I'll be right back. I have to go wipe it down, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I wiped it down, and I plugged it into the charger, and hopefully it'll take some time for it to charge. Not sure if it's going to charge. Here it is. It made a weird sound on the charger, I believe. Feels a little sticky. Feels really nice. Hold on. Sorry, I coughed. It's on Sprint. Looks like it's probably newer than the Nokia 3585i that I have. I'm not sure if it turns on or anything. Does nothing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll update you soon when it turns on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Peace out.